Welcome to the unboxing of the OM SE gimbal from DJI. Let's see what we have in the box. Firstly, we see the instruction manual. It is always good to go through the instruction manual in order to fully understand the product and the features that it offers. Next, we have the magnetic clamp. This clamps to your phone and magnetically connects to the disc on the gimbal itself. Then we have a tripod with an extended grip. This allows you to put the gimbal on a level surface and balance your phone. Then we have the Type-C USB charging cable. You also see the gimbal itself. The magnetic clamp that I showed you earlier sticks to this disc here, and this can extend out as you see. And lastly, we have the spacer. This is used to connect larger phones to the magnetic clamp. Folks, now I've assembled the gimbal. As you see, I've connected the tripod at the base of the gimbal. I've screwed it, and I've attached the phone to the magnetic clamp and stuck the magnetic clamp to the disc on the top of the gimbal. I'm just going to power it up and see the magic unfold. There you go. The OM SE gimbal supports smartphones from 170 grams to 290 grams. It also supports the latest and greatest Samsung Galaxy devices, Pixel devices and iPhone devices. However, for a full list of compatible devices, please visit DJI.com. I haven't explored the different functions of the gimbal, but if you see, this is the default mode. If I double tap, this comes into the action mode. Then you can again double tap the power button and it should go in the portrait or the landscape mode. As you see, I keep double tapping it. It keeps going into the different modes that I need. And there are other buttons as well, which I haven't explored, and some indicator lights. There is a click button at the back, and this is the joystick which you can use to maneuver your device along with the lever that you have that is stuck at the back panel of the phone. There you go. I reckon you download the DJI app from the Play Store and explore the various functions of this gimbal. That's it for today, guys. You have a great day.